The things I will be using are this pack of crochet hair, curling mousse, edge control, conditioner, crochet hook, rat tail comb, paddle brush, spritz, edge brush, bobby pins, and some clips. So first I'm going to start off by just brushing out my hair as much as possible. And then I'm just going to part my hair ear to ear and just clip up the front half. Now we're going to work on the back. So you just want to do a little section, enough for a braid. So first I add my conditioner to my hair and try to work that in. And then add the mousse on top of that. And then after I do that, just braid my hair down. Mind you, I'm not really that good at braiding. So if you're not good at braiding, then this hairstyle's for you because I'm not good at all. This was a struggle. And when you braid your hair, just make sure you braid enough to the end. And then I'm just going to repeat that 4 times. So I'm going to create 4 braids in the back of my head. And it should look like this whenever you finish. So you want to use those bobby pins and just pin up your hair just so it's not hanging down, if that makes sense. You want to do it so it's kind of flat. It really doesn't matter because you're going to have curly hair in the back anyway, so it's going to be big. So it really doesn't matter if it's not that flat. As you see, mine is not flat at all, but this is what it looks like after I finish that part. So to add the crochet hair, you want to poke the crochet needle through your hair, leave the hook open, put the hair on it, close the hook, pull through a little bit, and then take one side of it and just pull it to create a knot. And after you do that, just part your hair in the middle and take one side and put that up. And then take the other side, add some of that edge control to the part, and then start braiding. I'm surprised I even got this part, but braid to the best of your ability, as I should say. And when I got to the end part of my hair, I braided in some of that curly hair so it blended easier, as you see. So you want to pin that. And then I did my baby hairs. This is what it looks like. And then you want to cut your hair to the length that you want. Then after you do that, just separate it, fluff it out as much as you want. And after that, spray the spritz onto the braids. And then this is what you should have. Thanks for watching.